Hello everyone. Those who watch my channel know that I am making a real-time strategy game on Unity. And this video, like the channel itself, is simply an advertisement for it. So you can close the channel right now and even give it a dislike video before release. And for those who stayed, I will be talking about how I ordered a banner for my game on Steam of varying quality and at different prices, from 500 rubles to 5,000. Such videos on YouTube are popular, and I'm a simple person. I see popular videos and make my own on the same topic. So I decided to order different art from different artists. Let's see what came out of it. The first art I ordered was on the Quark platform. I created a simple task description. I needed to have 3 Stickman characters drawn against a simple landscape background. This included a sky and a green lawn, to which I attached my version that I assembled in Blender. I also attached references, indicating the style and color in which I would like to see the final result. I set the price at 500 rubles, and within a couple of hours there were several responses. All of them were from beginner artists, and most did not have similar works in their portfolios. I randomly chose one and started waiting. The next day the order was completed, and I received this kind of file. The artist didn't bother much, and simply traced and colored my version, keeping the same composition. It looks quite simple, but what can you expect for 500 rubles? I wouldn't want to see such a banner on Steam, so I decided to use it for the web version on the crazygamedev.ru site. The audience there is more child-oriented, and perhaps it might attract someone. For the next banner, I looked for an artist on gamedev.ru. This is a platform for game developers, and there are artists here who specialize in this direction. Following the same approach, I posted an announcement and attached the same document with the terms of reference. There were significantly more responses. Since I didn't specify the cost of the work, the artists themselves stated their prices. The artist I chose for the second option attracted me with their portfolio and price. He was willing to create the banner for 1500 rubles. Since there's no harm in asking, I decided to negotiate and we settled on a price of 1000 rubles. Not all specialists on this site are just sitting and waiting for you to bring them an order. Most are busy with work and take small orders as side jobs, so I had to wait a little. A couple of days later, I received this sketch. It seemed to be what I needed. The only thing I asked was to make the character's gaze more menacing. A couple of days later, I had the finished art, and this is how it looked. The colors and style were in accordance with the specifications. Everything was satisfactory. The face of the stickman on the left looked like a cartoon. Happy tree friends. It was too amusing and I think not suitable for this game, so I decided to remove the mouth. I think it turned out quite well for 1000 rubles. I didn't specifically look for the third artist for this task, as I had already worked with him on the game. For a fixed monthly fee, I simply calculated his cost by dividing the salary by the number of working days in the month and multiplying by the amount of time spent, or rather, the number of days. As a result, this banner cost 2000 rubles. This is how the sketch looked, and this is how the final version looked. The situation with the fourth banner is the same. It was drawn by the previous salaried artist who created the interface elements, did art for the promo video, and did it quite well. He also drew the banner, the cost of which I calculated using the same simple method, and it cost me almost 5000 rubles. This is how the sketch looked. And this is the final version. In the end, I had 4 banners plus my hastily made one, made version. I decided to go with the fourth one and published it on Steam. This is the video that came out, and you can write which banner you liked the most. If anyone is interested, the link to the game will be in the description. That's all, goodbye everyone.